today we're going to make double chocolate chip cookies. Time to cream the butter and sugar. Be careful when turning your mixer on. Crack the eggs carefully. Mix up your dry ingredients. Slowly pour it in. The original recipe is down below. Chocolate time! Today I'm using white and dark chocolate. I scooped this one, but Mommy helped me with the rest. Daddy, I put 2 types of chocolate. Chocolate chips and white chocolate. And I mixed it.
Yeah?
I put egg in.
Okay.
And the mixer.
What other ingredients? Is there flour in these?
Brown sugar and flour.
Okay.
I don't remember other things.
What about cocoa?
Cocoa, yes.
Cocoa powder, I bet. Yeah. Anything else?
I hope my daddy and brother love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Mommy's on every Monday.
Did you put any love in there?
What?
Is there some love?
Yeah.
Don't you put love in your cookies?
Mommy, did we put any love?